Today I'm going to teach you how to mobile preview in Card. This is incredibly useful for ensuring your website looks perfect on smartphones and tablets before you publish it, which is essential since most people browse the web on mobile devices these days. First, open your web browser and navigate to card.co. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password in the designated fields, then click the Login button. This will take you directly to your Card dashboard where all your sites are stored and managed. Now that you're in your dashboard, take a look at all the sites you've created, browse through, and select the specific site you want to preview on mobile. Once you've identified it, click on the Edit this site button. This action will open up the Card editor, which is where all the magic happens when it comes to designing and customizing your website. Here's where the mobile preview feature comes into play. Look towards the upper right corner of your screen within the editor interface. You'll notice an option that says Switch to Mobile View. Go ahead and click on it. This instantly transforms your editing view to show exactly how your site will appear on mobile devices. It's a real-time preview that lets you see the layout, spacing, fonts, and overall design from a mobile perspective. This mobile view is incredibly valuable because it allows you to spot any design issues that might not be obvious on a desktop screen. Maybe some text is too small, images aren't scaling properly, or buttons are too close together for easy tapping. By switching to mobile view, you can identify these problems immediately and make adjustments right there in the editor. And that's it. You've successfully accessed the mobile preview feature in Card, giving you complete control over how your site looks on mobile devices. This simple step can make a huge difference in user experience and ensures your website is truly responsive across all screen sizes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.